Hello everyone, it's Anusha from Simplilearn. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this session. Today we are here to discuss the project you can take up in your final year graduation. The only thing that matters in your final graduation is your project. After graduation, you may work for a company or you may continue your studies in any field related to IT where your project has a significant influence. If you are confused about which domain to choose or which project to conduct, don't worry, we are here to help you. Before we begin, please subscribe to our Simplilearn YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. The agenda for today's session is we are going to see the top 5 domains that you can select to conduct a project. Then we will look through our 3 projects from each domain. At last, we have some bonus project. Let's begin the session by understanding the domain and its importance in conducting a project. In general, a domain is a particular field of thoughts, activity or interest, especially one over which you have control and know in and out. When it comes for a computer science, it indicates the domain of interest. You must select a domain which one you are interested and know about. Once you are done with selecting a domain, choosing the project is the easiest job. The top 5 booming domains that you can choose to conduct a project are artificial intelligence, web technology, data science, machine learning and IoT. Let's explore one by one. Artificial intelligence. It stimulates the human intelligence by machine, especially a computer system. The model built in a AI exhibits all the characteristics of humans such as learning, problem solving, etc. AI has subfields like machine learning and deep learning which will help to build different models in AI. The project you can conduct in this domain are identity classification, news classification using NLP, and celebrity image classification, and return digit classification using CNN. It is a model built using a CNN algorithm, that is a convolution neural network algorithm. CNN comes under deep learning, a subset of AI which will classify the digits which are written in ANDs. CNN is a 7-layered model which will extract the features from the input data set and identify the digits. We use the Scottic gradient descent and the backpropagation algorithm to train and test the MNS dataset. The next is a news classification using NLP. News classification is a model built using a natural language processor. The main objective of this project is to build a model which will classify whether the news is fake or true. NLP will classify the news based on the meaning of that message or that sentence. The same mechanism is applied for the dataset, and we have done this project using a Python, NLP algorithm and a toolkit Jupyter Notebook. The next is a celebrity image classification. Celebrity image classifier is a machine learning and a web application. Here we will build a model with the user and the server interactions. The user must upload an image of a celebrity and the model will predict whose image is that using a Python libraries. The next domain you can take up is a web technology. It is a tool and a technique to establish a communication between the devices over internet. We use a web browser to access a web page. This web browser is a program that displays text, data, picture and many more on the internet. The web technology consists of tools like HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, etc. and which are used to design a web page. The project you can conduct in this domain are placement cell, cyber cafe management and milk dairy management. Placement cell. Placement cell is an application built for the colleges. We use HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript for the front end and MySQL for the backend design. It consists of 2 modules, that is the user and the admin. If he is a new user, he must register and upload all the details required. And then this application will include all the upcoming and the ongoing placements in the college. The next is a cyber cafe management system. In this project, we are designing a computer system for the cyber cafe. This makes the management of recording the user details, internet usage, billing easier. This application is built using a tool like HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript and MySQL. With this application, we can maintain a database with all the details of the customers. The next project is a milk dairy management. It is a web application to help all the milk dairy. We use HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP to design this application. It consists of 2 modules, that is the admin and the customer. And it also includes the customer bill system. If he is a new customer, he must register and apply for the stocks that he required. The next domain you can take up is a data science. This is an analytical technology which will extract the information from the data for decision making, strategy planning, and many more. The most of the data science programming are done using a Python programming language, as Python is easy to code, open source, and user friendly, etc. Python is rich in libraries that will support all the data science models. The project you can take up in this domain are weather dataset analysis, car dataset analysis, and diabetes prediction. Weather dataset analysis. Here we will analyze the weather parameters like temperature, pressure, humidity, etc. This application is used to inform and support the decision making. This application is built using the data science and analytical concepts. The same concepts are applied to weather dataset and obtain the accuracy. The next is a car dataset analysis. This project will give an idea about the car and its parameter and help the buyer to buy an efficient car. We will apply the data science techniques to the dataset to remove all the outliers. Outliers are the data which are consisting of missing values, duplicate values which are present in our dataset are removed using the data science techniques. And we will apply a random forest and a linear regression to classify our data into training and testing data. Then we will find the accuracy of our model. The next is a diabetes prediction. Diabetic prediction is a medical field application used to predict the diabetics patients by their health condition. We will apply the XGBoost and the random forest algorithm to the dataset. We will divide and classify the dataset into a train and test data. Then we will find the accuracy of our model. The next domain that you can take up is a machine learning. It is a field of computer science and artificial intelligence in which data and the algorithm stimulates the human learning. This will gradually increase the accuracy and automatically enables the computer to learn from its historical data. Machine learning is the critical part of data science and one of the rapidly increasing field nowadays. The project you can conduct in this domain are wireless sound control, restaurant review using NLP, and self-driving cars. Wireless sound control. This model is built using a Python libraries such as OpenCV, PyCharm, TensorFlow, etc. The main objective of this project is to provide a contactless experience to the user while controlling the system volume. Using MediaPipe, we have built a model to control our system volume by our hand gesture. We can increase or decrease our system sound moving our hand in front of our camera. The next project you can take up is a restaurant review using NLP. This is a project built using the libraries of Python such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, etc. We will convert the review statement into a rating. For example, food is good is rated as 1 and the hotel is bad is rated as 0. The same rating mechanism is applied to the dataset and we will find the accuracy of our model. The next project is in this domain are self-driving car. Self-driving car are the upcoming modern technology for the cars. The machine learning model is built in this project to help the car navigate. This is done using the OpenCV and the Python libraries, and also we will specify the model accuracy. The next domain you can take up is a IoT. Internet of Things is a collective network that is connected to the device and the technology. It will facilitate the communication between the devices and the clouds and between the devices themselves. The project you can conduct under this domain are smart farming using IoT technologies, smart doorbell, and social distancing. Smart farming using IoT technologies. Smart farming is a device built to detect the soil temperature, moisture, humidity. This device will help the farmer to know the conditions of the soil. We need an Arduino Nano IDE, temperature and moisture sensor, some jumper wires to build this device. This device will have a direct contact with the soil and the measurement is shown in the monitor screen. The next project is a smart doorbell. Smart doorbell. In this digital world, everything is becoming smarter. The smart doorbell is a device built using a Raspberry Pi, breadboard, resistors and some wires. This device will tell who is at your doorstep and sends their picture to a specified email ID. The device is fixed to door and the connection is given to the doorbell. As soon as the doorbell is pressed, the device will send an email to the user. The next project is social distancing. Social distancing is one of the puzzle for the workers in COVID-19. The range of ultrasonic sensors can measure the distance between the workers with a centimeter accuracy and alert those who are too close. This device is built using the Arduino Uno IDE and ultrasonic sensors. Now it's time to know some bonus projects. You can also take up some of the other projects like College Connect Chat App, Food Waste Management System, Student Result Management System, Traffic Sign Recognition, and Odd News. With this, we have reached the end of this session. Today we saw the top 5 domains and the project you can conduct in that domain. I hope this session was interesting and informative. Please share this video with your family and friends. And for more videos, please visit the Simplilearn YouTube channel. For any queries regarding project, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.